Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Chris and I'm back with another natural hair tutorial for you guys. So to kick things off, I'm going to be giving my hair some love, some moisture. So I'm going to be adding my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Cream to get that moisture back into my natural hair because it's pretty dry right now. So to achieve that moisture, I'm going to be using my Curl Enhancing Cream. And this hairstyle is a really laid back natural hairstyle, so I'm going to be adding some extensions to achieve this look as well. So I start by sectioning my hair into 2 equal parts. So I'm going to just make sure that my parts are really straight because you know, whenever I do like any type of styles, I like to perfect my parts. So I'm going to be making sure that it's straight and nice, and I'm going to start by working on one section first. So I'm going to be putting away this section of my hair and I'm going to get started on the other section. So to give my scalp a little extra love, I'm going to be making sure that it's oiled and nice and moisturized as well. So actually guys, for this style I wanted to use my natural hair, but unfortunately my natural hair isn't as thick as, you know, as it isn't as thick as I would like it to be to achieve this style. So I decided to add extensions, and the method I'm going to be using is the feed-in braids method. So I'm going to be using that, and to further achieve my look, I'm going to be using my ledge jam. I love my ledge jam whenever I do these type of styles. Using the back of my comb, I'm going to be applying a generous amount of my gel. So guys, whenever I do my braided styles, I prefer to use my ledge jam rather than my eco styler. So no eco styler today guys, but I'm going to be using my ledge jam. Braid I'm going to be using is the Super Times Pre-Stretch braid, and it's in the color 1B. It's pretty long guys, so the extension needed to be cut. So as you just saw, I sectioned my braiding hair into 7 pieces. Each piece are bigger than the last, and I'm going to start by braiding my natural hair. Also, I did leave out my edges because I don't want any pressure on my edges for this particular style. So I did leave out my edges. That's a tip. So I'm going to get started on my first braid, and I'm going to be using my hair extension, my braiding hair, and I'm going to be using my index finger, and I'm going to tuck in my hair extensions under my index finger, and using my next finger I'm going to pull it under. So guys, I really can't explain this step as accurate as I would like to, so I'm going to leave you guys to watch the video and you're going to see how I do my feed-in braids method. So to control any frizz from my natural hair, I'm going to make sure that I apply some of my ledge jam as I do my braid to control any frizz between my natural hair and the braiding hair. So for this step, I make sure and do this and apply my gel because, you know, you want your braid to look really nice and smooth when it's done. So that's the reason why I apply my ledge jam. So this style guys lasted like about a week, so I was pretty happy you guys, because you know for this whole week I didn't have to comb my hair or anything like that. I just did my normal touch up, did my normal edges routine, and the style really lasted long. So I was just in love with this style guys. So as you can see, I'm done with the other side. I'm going to get started on the next section now. So I did speed up the video a little bit, guys, because I didn't want the video to be too long. So I'm going to show you guys how I did my last feed-in braids. So I did add my gel and I'm going to start my braid. So I'm going to make sure that I plait my natural hair, and I'm going to start by adding my first piece of extensions, and I'm going to tuck in one end of my extensions and do my feed-in braids. So guys, bear in mind, this is how I do my feed-in braids. I know everyone has a different method on how they do theirs. So this is how I do mine, and it's pretty easy how I do my method. This method works really well for me. So this is the method that I choose to do, guys. So as you can see, I apply my second piece of extensions, and I'm going to continue to do this until I get my last braid done. It is the next day, guys. I did finish film this video like 11 o'clock the day before, so I was to finish the style like the next day. So to give the hairstyle a little more oomph, I decided to add in some of my curls. I think it's from the Freetress brand. It's in I think it's a Jerry curled. I'm not sure. I'm gonna link the curl pattern in the description below for you guys. So I did added some of my curls. I did crochet pieces onto my braid, and I added in some of my hair jewels as well, because some of my natural hair was like almost the same length as the braiding hair. So I wrapped my natural hair around the braiding hair, and I disguised it with my hair jewels, guys. So that's a tip. If you have like medium length hair and you decide to try this style, you all can do that as well. So I'm going to be using my Got2b glue for my edges. Make sure that my edges are snatched, because I love doing my edges. Who are custom watching me, and you all already know I love doing my edges. It's a must for me. So this is what the hairstyle is looking like right now. I love how this hairstyle came out. As I said, it did last me like a week. So guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also turn on that notification bell, and just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.